In this video, before I start cooking, I've got lots of spoons, and regular viewers will know why and the criticism I've had. Anyway, I'm making a lamb karahi, so I've got 3 types of lentils, carrot, potatoes to make the base gravy. I'm making this because I got a takeaway from my favourite Indian restaurant last week and it wasn't good and it cost me £38. So once I've got the lentils, they've been cooked, blend them with 1/4 of a tin of tin tomatoes and you end up with a base gravy, like a paste. So next, fry the lamb. In that, add garlic, chopped onions, chopped different ways, including gratoring them. Then put in the peppers. Dead easy is this. So once the meat's browned off, put the peppers in. Then next, I've already put ginger in, but next put some garlic puree in, put as much as you want that in. I've also put some chopped fresh garlic in as well. Then top it up with some boiling hot water just to cover the bottom layer of onions. Put the lid on and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Spices, there's lots of different types of spices: mustard seeds, garam masala, tandoori masala, cumin, coriander, bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom pods, green cardamom, black cardamom, and some curry leaves and some fenugreek. So loads of spice, put that in. Next we're going to put in the rest of the tinned tomato, so put that in to the pan, and then just to rinse the pan out, put a bit of water in the can and put that in. Let that simmer for about 20 minutes, then decant into a slow cooker and cook for about 2 or 3 hours until the lamb is melt in your mouth tender. Thanks for watching. It was delicious.